Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Tim and I'm really looking forward to working with you all on the 22nd of July, where we're going to be working through a programme of 4 sessions connected to learning about STEM best practice and implementing STEM concepts into your classrooms. In session 1 we're going to look at a maths lesson, and through that we're going to consider how we best engage children in STEM lessons and how best we set lesson objectives, link lesson objectives to effective success criteria, look at questioning and how we really show progress in lessons so children are learning and making some good strides in their understanding of STEM concepts. In session 2, we'll build on session 1. And in this session, we're really going to be looking at a taxonomy, a learning taxonomy. And we're going to be thinking about how we can make sure that students really develop their understanding of key concepts in their STEM lessons through, for example, really starting off from a basic level, but then building up so that eventually that they're really sort of developing and showing their creativity. In session 3, we're going to really consider you as a STEM teacher. And really there are 4 different styles of STEM teaching around the world. We're going to consider each of those 4 styles, and we're going to reflect, as a teacher yourself, we're going to reflect on which style do you typically default to, how can you deliver top quality lessons within that style, but also how you can think about the other styles and how you might start to use some different strategies and different techniques in your lessons in order to engage the students. This will be accompanied by a 22-page booklet of best practice in each of the 4 different key teaching styles for STEM. And all delegates will receive a copy of that booklet. Moving on to session 4, we're going to look at the practical aspects of STEM. Obviously, we know about scientific inquiry, and we need to think about how does your school and how do your lessons structure themselves around scientific inquiry. So we will look at the terminology of scientific inquiry, the process that we should be going through, and how best to assess the different practical and learning skills the students develop through their scientific inquiry, practical-based learning. And we'll round off with a Q&A. I've taught STEM for many years, and I'll be there to answer any queries you've got, just to provide some reassurance and hopefully to encourage you to take the next steps and take some of those risks that you need to take to experiment with different approaches in your STEM lessons, so that you're ready to go into your lessons in the subsequent weeks after the programme, where you are feeling that you've got lots more ideas in how you can enrich and engage the children in their learning. So I'm very much looking forward to working with you, and I hope to see you all on the 22nd of July.